G'day everyone, guess what? Got a new camera. Now this isn't the normal sort of video I would do, however this camera is related to what we do, film, so it is important that we have a good look at it and consider what its capabilities are. Now I've been using an FDR X3000 Sony for a while, not on the trike but just handheld, so I believe this one's better when it comes to stabilization, even though it doesn't have optical stabilization. And I'm intending to use this when I go flying with the stabilization turned on, so things should be buttery smooth. It should look fantastic. We can film in 4K 25 frames or 30 frames per second with hyper smooth turned on. The Hero 7, GoPro Hero 7. So in this video we're just going to have a quick look in the box and see what's in there, see what's included with the camera, and in an upcoming video we will go flying with the camera and see how it performs in the air with stabilization turned on and turned off. I'm thinking there's going to be some great things. This is meant to be the best action camera ever. Obviously using a gimbal on the ground, handheld and walking and so forth and running, is a better option than the stabilization built into this camera, but have you ever considered the logistics and the costs of having a gimbal when you're flying with an airstream around the camera? It just wouldn't work. It would get blown off in all directions. It would just go ballistic. So digital stabilization in camera, great solution for flying. Let's take a look in the box and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe so you can see and not miss out on the next video. There won't be too many of these Hero 7s and flying videos at this stage in time. Let's have a look at this and we'll see you soon. Okay, so first things first, pull the strip off the bottom. Hey, it worked. We'll just unfold the flaps, little hole in the bottom here, and we pull the camera out like so. And that's an empty box. Alright, so the camera's mounted on this top plate, which we can use as a mount if we need to for special reasons. To remove the camera from this plate, we lift up the rubber tab at the back. You've probably all seen this before. And the typical GoPro mount is to squeeze these tabs at the back together. That unlocks the camera, allows it to slide off. Alright, so in the box, just quickly, we have the normal paraphernalia, little quick start instruction book, the usual GoPro stickers, and everything you didn't need to know. Inside the box, this is what we came for: the USB-C cable, a battery, a flat mount, and a helmet mount type stick-on thingamy-bob. Alright, here's the camera, just so if you didn't know, you can take the camera out of this frame. Now that's just a matter of pulling this up. So it's a two-stage locking mechanism, and then folding the back, and we can then push the camera out of the frame like so. That is the camera itself. All that remains to be done now is to peel the screen protector off the back. A little bit tricky, and there we go. And that reveals the touch screen and everything on the back of the camera. That's all there really is. And if you need to adjust the camera while it's in the mount and everything, you just undo this and you can tilt it. Oh, there's one more thing, isn't there? Undo this screw. And remove the little travel tag, if you like. Put that back in. That just stops the camera from moving while it's in transit and transportation. Now we can move the camera angle and tighten it up with this. That's all there is for the unboxing. So if you're really interested, do the subscribe, like the video, tell me why you didn't like it if you didn't like it, and give me some feedback so we can do some better things for you in future. And we'll catch you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.